My dear students, in this video we will solve rest of the sums of exercise 5.3. We have done first question in previous video. Now we will start with question second. Find all the factors of numbers in the following questions. We have to find all the factors of first number is 16. How we will do? We have to write all the factors. First number is 16. How we will write? Start with 1. Smaller number is 1. Start with 1. In one's table, when we get 16, we have to get 16 as answer. We know 1 16s are 16. In table of 2, after 1 it comes 2. 2 8s are 16. Now in table of 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. 16 doesn't come in table of 3. 4. In table of 4, 4 4s are 16. We have to write all the numbers or all the tables starting from 1 when it comes 16. 1 16s are 16. Now next number is 2. 2 8s are 16. 3 in table of 3, 16 doesn't come, so we will not write it here. Now in table of 4, 4 4s are 16. Now after 4 we will not write the numbers. We will not write any number after 4. Why? Because here 4 4 it is repeated 2 times. When repetition of the number occurs while forming the factors, we will stop writing here. Means all the factors we have finished. All the factors we have written. So what are the factors here? Start from 1. Start writing from 1. Then go upwards. All these are the factors. 1, 2, 4. Write only single number. Write every number once. Need not to repeat or need not to write it twice or thrice. Only write once. First factor is 1. Second factor is 2. Next factor is 4. Here next is also 4. We will not write it twice because we have written it already. Now after 4 it is 8. Now last is 16. Also here we can prove the properties that we have done in earlier video. Smaller factor of a number is 1 and greatest factor is 16. So these are all the factors of 16. This is our A part. Now B part is 20. It will be more clear with next questions. If we are doing 2, 3, 4, 5 questions we will do, and it will be more clear from that. First always start with 1. In table of 1 when we get 20, 1 20s are it is 20. Now in table of after 1 it comes 2. 2 10s are 20. Table of 3 there is no 20. After 3 it is 4. 4 5s are 20. After 4 number comes 5. 5 4s are 20. We have already written 5 here. Means repetition starts. So whenever there is repetition of numbers we will stop writing factors. Now all the factors it means we have completed. What are the factors? Start from first number. Start from here from the top and go upward. All these are the factors. What are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. Next I am doing E part. It is 24. Factors of 24 we have to write. Start again with 1. 1 24s are it is 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. After 3 4 6 are 24. In table of 5 after 4 is 5. 5 5s are 25. It is greater than 24. So we will not write 5 because in table of 5 24 doesn't come. Now 6 fours are 24, means 6 will repeat. We have already written 6 and 4. 6 fours are 24, we have written. So we will not write the numbers here. We will stop writing factors when there is repetition. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Next J part I am doing 50. First we have to start with 1. In table of 1, when we get 50, 1 50s are 50. In table of 2, you can also divide. If you don't know when it comes 50 in table of 2, you can divide. Write 50 inside and divide it with 2. 2 2s are 4. Subtract 5 minus 4, 1. Next digit will come down is 0. 2 5s are 10, means we get 25. 2 25s are 50. Now in table of 3, 50 doesn't come. In table of 4, 50 doesn't come. In table of 5, 5 10s are 50. 6, it is not divisible. You can divide and check also. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. Again 10. 10 5s are 50. 10 we have already written here. So we will stop writing factors. All the factors are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. All the numbers starting from 1 and move upward. These are the factors. Similarly, you can solve rest of the sums of question number 2. That's all. Thank you.